Welcome back to Frontline News. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. It's now time for Frontline Business. Finance and Public Service Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke says the government is closer to securing the integrity of public boards. The composition of some boards was called into question following reports of corruption and nepotism at state-run entities.
The amendment to those regulations that will improve public body governance in Jamaica will be tabled by the end of November of this year. Measures to ensure that the boards of public bodies have a staggering component to ensure that the board is not purely overturned on the change of administration. That a minimum of a third of board members in a administration are carried over to the next.
Public board directors will also have to undergo increased scrutiny where their professional qualifications are concerned.
Everyone who is appointed to the public board will come from a pool of persons whose qualifications, or lack thereof, have been verified. So persons who have gone through some amount of diligence.
Jamaica has approximately 190 public bodies. Dr. Clarke has noted that this creates an administrative and governance challenge. Wisynco Group is reporting net profit of $2.9 billion for its 2019 financial year. That was 27% higher than in 2018. During the year, the group achieved its highest sales of $28 billion, which was 15.8% above last year's result. Wisynco made an investment of $586 million for a 30% stake in JP Snacks Caribbean. Palace Amusement is reporting a dip in profit for its financial year ended June 30. At the end of the 12 months, the company raked in $82 million in after-tax profit. That was a 33% decline over the $123 million recorded last year. Palace Amusement said there was an 11% decrease in attendance across its circuit, but it noted that this was not surprising. Energy giant BP reported a 41% fall in third-quarter net profits on Tuesday, citing lower upstream earnings, weaker oil prices and maintenance, and weather impacts. BP posted third-quarter underlying replacement cost profit used as a proxy for net profit of $2.3 billion versus $2 billion. That compared with a profit of $3.8 billion over the same period a year earlier and $2.8 billion in the second quarter of 2019. The results show that the UK-based oil and gas company still managed to beat analyst expectations despite a sharp drop in third-quarter net profits. In Tuesday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index declined by 511.56 points to close at over 486,000 points. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 71 stocks, of which 33 advanced, 31 declined, and 7 traded firm. The junior market index declined by 30.21 points to close at over 3,000. Stocks advanced for AMG Packaging and Paper, Caribbean Cement Company, Carreras, Siboney Group, and Consolidated Bakeries. Stocks declined for 1834 Investments, Barita Investments, Berger Paints, Blue Power Group, and CAC 2000. Trading firm were Dolphin Cove, Everything Fresh, Fosrich Company, Jetcon Corporation, and Mayberry Jamaican Equities. Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares was the volume leader with over 25 million units, followed by Sagicor Select Funds with over 6 million units and Panjam Investment with over 1 million units. And news in oil, oil paired losses on Tuesday afternoon after moving lower in early trading, pressured by expectations for a rise in U.S. crude inventories. Brent crude gained 31 cents, selling at $61.90 a barrel. However, U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude declined by 28 cents at $55.81. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. Pleasant viewing.